VS Code. Some unique characteristics of it is it's cross-platform, so it'll run on Mac, Linux, and Windows. It's free and open source. We do a lot of our development in the open and are really transparent about what we're trying to do and try to involve the community in where we're going with this product. This talk is going to be short, 20 minutes. There's no way I'm going to cover all of the cool things you can do with VS Code. So there's this GitHub repo. It's really easy to find. Just search VS Code tips and tricks and you'll find it. And it has dozens and dozens of different tips and tricks, things I'm not going to cover today. I tried to squash down the 10 most important tips and tricks. So tip number 1 is stay cutting edge by using the Insiders version of VS Code. So if you look down here, I'm running this green one right here, Visual Studio Code Insiders. Right next to it is Visual Studio Code. This is the month-to-month release version. VS Code Insiders is cool because we use this to develop the product. And there's some cool stories of people reporting a bug and then seeing it fixed the next morning when they go in on Insiders. So we we build Insiders nightly, so you're getting the latest features and the latest bug fixes really quickly. And now the second one, which is really catered towards those that are new, or maybe you've just tried VS Code recently in the last few months. If I go here to help and then welcome, if you just recently downloaded the product, this will show up for you automatically. Let me get the right font here so everyone can see this. This welcome screen has a lot of the, hey, this will get you up to speed quickly built into it, especially this quick link section. So I'm going to go briefly through this. You can see a quick overview of the interface. We don't have a complex interface. It's pretty simple, but this can teach you the vernacular we use in other parts of the product to make things make sense. This color theme, an important part of VS Code is you can customize it to make it look however you want. There's these dozen or so built in automatically, so you can choose the theme that you prefer, or you can go here and install literally hundreds of different color themes, and there's a lot of options there. You know, we feel as developers, we spend hours and hours looking at our editors all day, so we wanted to give you the most exposure you could to find the right theme for yourself. So that's color themes. Now, this third one, which I'm a big fan of, is if you're coming from a different product, you can install, we call it a key map. So it's a whole package of key bindings. And it's really useful. Say you've used Vim, Sublime Text, Visual Studio, and you've memorized these key bindings. You've built up this sweat equity, this muscle memory. You can actually just go, and here's the Visual Studio one. You can install it, and then you don't have to learn new key bindings. You can just use the key bindings you used with Visual Studio. So it makes it really easy to switch from product to product. Often that's what people do. They run VS Code alongside some other tool that they're using. So that's right here, install keyboard shortcuts.